What's interesting is if you can contrast last year before we get to kind of the how, is last year we were doing workshops really trying to make sure everyone understood the power of AI. And last year, agentic digital agents was not the buzz it is now, right? So two things happened over the last year. On the one hand, people do really get it now. Like, we don't need to, we're not doing those workshops this year, right? Instead, we're showcasing actual examples of AI creating value at scale, because that's what everyone's now saying, okay, we get it, but how do you make it actually work? On the other hand, the technology has gotten more and more complicated in a year. And it's those two things that make it so hard, because on the one hand, the technology is getting better and better, but then you have to keep up with it, and you have to say, am I creating the right platform for like what's coming next? And on the other hand, actually, if you look under the covers as to why the companies who are getting value out of it are getting value, it's not about the technology. It's because those companies have been willing to really change the way they work, and I'll give you some examples of that. They're changing their talent, and in addition to the really cool AI technology, every company that's really scaling and getting real value now has been investing in years in the prerequisites of technology, like the cloud and the data. And so, all of you came here and had to book a hotel. Like, in the hotel industry, there's now some real examples that are going to change your experience.